Hey you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new vlog. As you've read from the title, we are going to Amritsar and this is going to be an epic one. So let's go. So we boarded the train to Amritsar and we just got breakfast. I was really hoping to have this because I'm really hungry. I hope it's clear, like I'm using a mic, so I hope my voice is clear. So let's check out what there is for breakfast. For vegetarian, we have cutlet, we have a brown bread, we have butter, we have I think a mango juice if I'm not wrong. And that's the breakfast spread. At least I took some rest, but I just can't wait to reach the hotel. And now I feel कि इधर lunch नहीं मिलेगा, which I'm okay about because I'm really excited to try all the different kind of things that like food wise that are available in Amritsar, and it's quite famous for its food. I'm already very excited to have kulcha and I don't know, we've seen so many options at this point. Like मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें try करनी है to eat, so I think vacation पे calories don't count is gonna be the mantra for this trip. But yeah, all I'm waiting is to reach Amritsar, check into my hotel, freshen up, and then eat some good food. Hi you guys, so we've reached our hotel here in Amritsar and we finally checked in and all. We are staying at Sandoz Pripson. So this property, if you search on Google, it will come across as Pripson because Sandoz has recently acquired it or leased it, I don't know, something like that. The guy was telling me at the reception. But the room is quite nice, it's quite spacious. So I'm going to give you a quick room tour. One quick tip, like when you're coming from the station to your respective hotels, just make sure to bargain the taxi price because it was just a 10 minutes distance and we paid like 500 bucks, which was quite a lot, but considering it was an Innova and we were able to comfortably come to the hotel, I think maybe the price is justified, but I would still suggest to bargain. So I'm going to give you a quick room tour now. Now the guy who got us station to this hotel, he is only suggesting us to go to Wagah border today instead of tomorrow because that was the plan. So yeah, that's the plan. We're going to go to Wagah border today and I don't think we would be able to do much. He's going to pick us up at 3:30 and currently it's 2. I haven't rested or anything, but I need to change, take a shower and all that stuff. So I'll do that and I'll see you once I'm all ready. You guys, so I'm seeing you after an hour and I'm all set. That's my OOTD and we are going to Wagah border. The driver, we've already contacted him and he'll be here by 3:45. So he told us the gates close by 5. The ceremony starts somewhere around 6:30, and if you want to score some really good seats to watch the entire retreat and everything, so it is advisable that you leave on time, reach there. Also, Wagah border is like 35 kilometer-ish away from where we are staying and it would take us 45 minutes. So yeah, we're all set to explore Wagah border and I'll see you guys in some time. Hey guys, so we finally reached Wagah border and as you can see it is freaking hot and we were melting, so I would highly recommend carrying an umbrella, water bottle or a topi, a hat, because it is really important. But nonetheless very excited for this experience, so let's get going. Now the pro tip that I have to give you is to carry a newspaper along with you because you have to literally sit on steps and they're quite dusty and if you don't want your clothes to get spoiled and stuff, so yeah, carry a newspaper along with you. And that's it. That's a pro.
स्टेडियम में खड़े हैं उन सभी दर्शकों से विनम्र निवेदन है, कृपया जल्द से जल्द अपने अपने स्थान पर बैठ जाएं। ये शान तिरंगा है। जिंदाबाद।
India, yeah. It was such a wholesome experience, guys. Everybody's discussing it, but oh my god, how's the Josh? Guys, we just came to some restaurant here in Amritsar to have some food, and I'm vlogging like this because the lighting is anyways like this, so can't help it. But yeah, very very hungry. हमने lunch के बाद से कुछ भी नहीं खाया. The lunch was also so very excited to eat some good food and then most probably go home and sleep. You guys, how are you all doing? As you can see, I've taken a shower and I'm finally on my bed. I just can't wait to sleep because I am tired AF. Train ride was good, but I couldn't sleep, and obviously I was anyway sleep deprived and stuff. And then the ceremony at the Wagah border is something just heart touching. I mean, you know, there was a dialogue in Laksh movie where, you know, Hrithik Roshan goes to the border for the first time and he sees the checkpost, he sees the Pakistani checkpost, and he says like, पता तो हमेशा से था बट आज एहसास हुआ है कि यू नो यू आर अ इंडियन, मतलब हम हिंदुस्तानी एंड स्टफ. सो दैट वाज द फीलिंग एंड द जोश. आई डोंट रियली रिमेंबर द करेक्ट वर्ड, लाइक द इंग्लिश वर्ड फॉर जोश, बट द जोश was definitely high. It was amazing. It's something I can't just, you know, put in words, but oh my god, that feeling was great. I mean, that feeling was amazing. And then we went for dinner. We ate quite a lot क्योंकि lunch के बाद हमने कुछ खाया नहीं था, so we were famished and stuff. And now the plan is just to sleep. Tomorrow we do have a lot of activities to do. We need to check out the local market. We're going to be visiting Jallianwala Bagh and museum, and then probably we'll go to some fort as well. For now, I'm just gonna go and sleep, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. It's our day 2 in Amritsar, and as you can see, I'm kinda ready. Now we are going to have breakfast. It's already 9:30, but we woke up really late. We really needed to sleep in. We were so tired from yesterday's journey and then the Wagah border experience. So let's go and have breakfast now. Hey you guys, so we got done with our breakfast and now I'm all ready. This is what I'm wearing. मैंने actually सर shoes पहने हैं, so it gives PT teacher vibes, but honestly comfort over style at this point. But this is the outfit. I don't have a matching dupatta with it, which is kind of bummer because रात को हमें Golden Temple जाना है. But I am carrying a makeshift dupatta with me. Super excited to explore Amritsar today, and I'm just waiting for everyone else to get ready and then we leave. And today we will not be taking the same taxi वाले भैया which we got yesterday. So आज हम अपने आप से explore करेंगे. It's going to be a combination of some Ubers and some autos. So let's go. Also for setting the context, because I think I never set the context of the trip. I'm traveling with my family, both sides. So after the Thailand trip, this is the second trip that we are doing together here in India, and it is quite fun to travel with family and stuff. So yeah, that's what's happening. So let's go now. Guys, so we have reached Jallianwala Bagh. Actually, we're in the complex where there's Partition Museum, Jallianwala Bagh, and a lot of other places. So let's go and explore. I don't know how much I'll be able to vlog essay. So I'll put B-roll shots and voiceovers. You're able to listen. So from what I can gather, I think all the attractions are near this complex area only. So you can just take an Uber till here. It costed us 170 rupees or 180 rupees from where we came, and it's quite pretty. Look at the vibe. It's really beautiful. Extremely hot, but really beautiful. As I walk into Jallianwala Bagh today, it feels quiet, almost gentle. It's difficult for me to imagine that in 1919, the same space was filled with families, elders, and children who had gathered peacefully, unaware of what was about to happen. Standing within these walls, I can't help but think about how there was nowhere to escape when gunfire suddenly broke the silence, and how so many lives were lost in moments that changed India forever. Being here now, I feel how this space became a turning point, one that awakened a nation's conscience and strengthened its fight for freedom. Jallianwala Bagh reminds us that freedom always comes at a cost, that humanity must come before power, and that remembering the past is how we protect compassion, peace, and justice in the world we live in today. Hi guys, so we have arrived at Starbucks and I'm having a cold brew because it's extremely hot outside. Also, tragedy has stuck and one of us has lost our phone, so bummer, but it's really hot outside and a cold brew will help. Guys, next destination is the Partition Museum. Now I have taken the tickets, it's 10 rupees per person. So let's go. Hi guys, so we just got done with the Partition Museum and honestly it was such a beautiful experience. You would need to have like 3 to 4 hours in your hand to explore the entire museum, and you cannot film anything inside, but I wasn't able to get a few snaps, so here they go. But oh my god, it's such a great experience. You get to know so much about your country even if you haven't read about it entirely in your history books and stuff. So now we are planning to have some food because we're really famished. We haven't had anything, so let's go and grab some chaat. Hi guys, so we finally ate something and now the plan is to go shopping. We are going to buy some Amritsari dupattas. What is it called? Fulkari print and all, and I'm very excited to try out some suits and dupattas. So let's go. Guys, so as you can see, we are back in the hotel and I'm going to give you a small haul because मैं अलग से इन चीज़ों का क्या haul करूँ. So I'll show you everything that I got. So the first thing we got is this postcard from the Partition Museum, and I have a thing of collecting postcards. This just costed me 50 rupees, which is a little expensive for a postcard, but look at this. So cute. Also, the Partition Museum is an erstwhile police station, so yeah, got that only. The next thing I'm going to show you are the jutis which I bought. Jallianwala Bagh se nikal ke hi I spotted the store and I got these jutis. They are so pretty. I love the work in this. If you can see, they are peacocks basically, and I got this from Patola Punjabi Juti. I think that is the name of the store. So these are the next thing that I got. Show you all the suit sets and the Fulkari dupatta that I bought. Obviously, if I'm in Punjab, in Amritsar, I'm gonna go and score some Fulkaris. So let me see which one is here. Okay, I'm gonna show you a really beautiful suit piece. All of these are suit pieces, so I'll get them stitched when I reach Delhi. But this is the first suit piece. Look at the detailing, guys. It has such beautiful detailing. जब भी मैं ये पहनूंगी and you know I get this stitch. You can follow me on Instagram because that's where I'll post a picture with this. But look at the print. I'll show you the print from here also. Okay, moving on to the next thing which I have here. Okay, the next suit also belongs to me only. This is the suit piece that Shashwat selected for me. It's a beautiful like off-white, I don't know how to describe this color, beige color maybe, and it has a beautiful pink Fulkari print. Yeah, Fulkari print, and it is a very pretty suit. The dupatta is really pretty. Again, you have to follow me on Instagram to see pictures with this one. Moving on to the next one. My mother-in-law also got a suit piece in the similar print, and you can see like ये ऐसा है actually. Overall print of the shirt would be this, but this is the suit piece that she got. And the last thing is the Fulkari dupatta, and this is the work that I've chosen. Look at this, it's so beautiful. I don't want to ruin the fold and everything because I have to put this back into my suitcase, but this is the one that I got, and you know you can style it with a plain white kurti or maybe like a plain color suit in any of these colors which are in this dupatta, and look at the print. So yeah, all of these costed me, like the dupatta costed me approximately something between 700 to 800. The suit sets were between 1200 to 1500. So that was the range in which I got all of these things. But a pro tip would be to always bargain and just don't accept the price that they give you. They will give you a discounted price, but still bargain more and you can score a good deal. I hope you guys like this shopping of mine, and now the plan is to just relax in the hotel for some time. We do plan to go to the Gurdwara at night, the Golden Temple, and I just can't wait to see it at night. But yeah, that's the plan for the night, and maybe we might go to one of the most popular places over here to eat. Let's see how that goes, but we're gonna rest for some time, maybe 1.5 hours, and then when it's dark, we'll head out and explore. Hi you guys, so it's currently 9 p.m. and as you can see, I'm set again. Now I'm wearing chappals, which I couldn't show, but yeah, chappals, because we'll be going to Golden Temple and we're going to be enjoying the night view and probably enter the temple as well. Apart from that, we're going to eat at one of the most famous dhabas over here. It's called Kesar Da Dhaba, but I'm not sure what time we'll be able to go there because it is just open till 10:15. So yeah, that's the deal. So we'll still need to figure out about that, but all set to explore the beautiful temple, and I'm so excited to see it during the night time because it lights up. Gold is gonna shine in that light, and then most probably we're gonna go to the temple in the morning tomorrow as well. So that's the plan. So I'll see you once we reach, I don't know which location first, but I'll see you once we reach there. Hi guys, so we just got done with Kesar Da Dhaba and the food was so good. Now we are on our way to Golden Temple and हम गलियों से जा रहे हैं. So let's go. So that's why the lighting is going to be like this, but let's go to Golden Temple. Guys, so we are back in our hotel after our visit to Golden Temple, and oh my god, the experience was so surreal. The gold was so shining, and in totality the temple complex was huge and amazing. We did get, like, we were scolded upon once for not moving enough and all, but oh my god, it's such a beautiful experience. I would definitely recommend going late, like we went there post 10 and still वहाँ पे काफ़ी भीड़ थी. So yeah, but compared to what I've heard before, like before 10, the crowd is even more. So considering that, you can definitely think about going post 10, and that feeling would be amazing. The food at Kesar Da Dhaba was too good, and it's 100% worth the hype. It's not that expensive, not that cheap, but amazing. So yeah, now we're gonna sleep because we definitely plan to go to the Golden Temple early in the morning tomorrow, and for that we need to catch up on some sleep because it is recommended to go there before 7 or 8 a.m. in the morning to avoid the crowds. Like, avoid a lot of crowd. There'll be still some crowd because a lot of people sleep in the temple complex itself. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.
The next day.
Hi you guys, good morning. It's our day 3 here in Amritsar and also our last day. As you can
see, I'm all ready. I'm wearing a very beautiful short kurti with jeans right now, and I'm gonna definitely carry a dupatta because we are heading to Golden Temple in the morning. We are kind of late because it's already 6, and we were planning to leave a little earlier than this, but we just couldn't wake up. We were so tired after yesterday's exploring and all. Also, Shashwat is not going to be going with us, and my in-laws are also going to be sleeping through because they are really tired. Me, my sister, and my mother will be going. I will give you a quick OOTD fit check in some time. I'll pop a picture right here with my outfit, and I'm really proud of how I'm looking. And yeah, I'm so excited to see the Golden Temple in all its glory in the morning. So let's go. Pro tip, we are also not wearing any prominent jewelry. I'm wearing a fake ring right now. I'm not wearing my original engagement ring, except for my Mangal Sutra. I'm not really wearing anything gold because there's a lot of pickpocketing around the temple area, and you got to be very alert, very careful.
Guys, so we just got done with the Golden Temple in the morning, and also I grabbed a coffee from the Coffee Bean. Starbucks wasn't open yet, so now we are heading back to the hotel. I need to wrap up a lot of packing, and if you can see, like, I'm in the same arena, like Partition Museum arena. So here you have some great coffee shops and good eatery options. Hi you guys, so it's around 12 p.m. now. I slept in between for half an hour after closing all my packing and all, and now the plan is to check out from the hotel. We're still gonna keep our luggage over here and explore the street food of Amritsar, or maybe the food of Amritsar, because I haven't had an Amritsari naan or kulcha yet, so I'm really looking forward to eating that. So let's go and have some naan kulcha. Hi you guys, so now we are at Gobindgarh Fort. It's in Amritsar here only, so within the vicinities of the city itself, and this fort is located in a cant area, so you're not allowed to carry cameras or anything. We still have some time to kill, so that's why we've come here. Honestly, itni dhoop hai, so this is not the best decision. If you plan to come here during the evening, then there's a light and sound show over here, but obviously we'll be leaving, we'll be heading back to Delhi. So now let's go and explore Gobindgarh Fort. Hi guys, ignore the way I'm looking at the moment because it's extremely hot, as you can see. But from what I understand, this fort must have been something of an historical importance. I'm going to pop up all the information on the screen somewhere. But now it has been converted into an activities place. How should I define it? Like, just say if you go to Delhi and there is Pratapgarh Farms, just like that, there are multiple activities that you can do. There's a 70s show, there's Bhangra performance, like camel rides and all of those things. But is it worth coming here? I would say you can skip it. I wouldn't highly recommend this one. But if you like roaming around in the forts and you like to see a light show, then maybe in the evening you can check out this place. Nonetheless, we'll just roam around here for some more time, and then we'll head back to the city. With that yummylicious kulcha, we come to an end to this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this 3-day travel guide to Amritsar, and if you did, you know the drill. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, that is so important. I really want to hit 1,000 subscribers this year, and leave a sweet comment, and I see you in the next one. Bye.